Hello everyone, welcome to the Deals of the Day 365. In this video, we will tell you best quiz plugins for WordPress. Using the quiz plugins, you can easily create quiz or survey on your WordPress site. So, if you also want to create quiz or survey for WordPress site, then keep watching our video till the end. First plugin is WP Quiz. This is a great plugin to drive traffic on your site through the quiz. It allows you to create many types of quiz, and one of them is trivia quiz that lets users to select different options. You can also run personality quiz which captivates people a lot because everyone wants to know their personality. Second is Quiz and Survey Master. Quiz and Survey Master is one of the easy to use quiz for WordPress to create a quiz that can help you to drive traffic to your website. It allows you to create all types of quizzes like viral quiz, trivia quiz, customer satisfaction survey, etc. Next is QuickMaker. QuickMaker is an excellent plugin to create advanced quizzes and exams. You will just have to follow some easy steps to create quiz and exams. Next is Interact. As its name suggests, this is a great platform for interacting with customers through quizzes. To create quizzes through this, you will just have to install, sign up, and then you can create quizzes. Next is QuizCat. QuizCat helps users to create quizzes that will increase visitors' engagement on your site. It allows you to create unlimited quizzes. With QuizQuat, you can create two types of quizzes, which are personality and multiple choice quiz. Now, here we will end this video. But if you want to know more about the plugins like their features and pricing, that we have provided a link in the description box. If you like this video, then like it and share it. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this.